if you want to create something special, something unique, like you, like your partner, like the future you're going to build with your partner, the symbol of it, for me, has to be at least exactly so special. This is a beautiful thing to work with such a pure, incredible materials. Tantalum, gold, silver, platinum, red gold, white gold, all the precious metals that we have. Handmade had another look, another touch. This is not so sharp, it's not edgy. This is really vintage. They will feel different because they look different, and when you touch them, they are different. I think this is a little bit subconscious thing. When you see it, you see something that simulates you. It doesn't look so technical, it looks human because it's come from human hands. This is a symbol of our society because families is what makes our societies actually exist.